Okay, so some of you know I haven't been too active on this channel, but I wanted to make, you can say, kind of like a final video. I mean, I might make more at some point. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, it just became too much having all these channels. So I've focused more now just on Beyond the Alchemy channel and, of course, Spiritual Renaissance channel. But I wanted to share all these practical things I share on this channel, these videos about diet and trauma and mental health and all this stuff. The purpose, have you investigated why the purpose is that you want to be healthy? Why do you want to get your body in such good shape? Why do you want your mind to be so clear? I posed this question on my semen retention channel too. Why are you doing semen retention? What's the highest reason? Not logically, don't answer it like it's a test question to try to get it right, but be authentic with yourself. Why are you really doing it? Why I used to do it, I would say like, oh, I'm going to the gym because I want to be healthy, but really I want gains for two reasons. I want to intimidate guys, and then I want to get attention from girls. That's why I wanted attention. Everything's about attention. The same like when I would do a super healthy, well, depends how long you do it. It was healthy to do it in moderation, like the whole fruitarian and fasting and all that, liquidarian. I wanted that glow. I wanted that hue in the face, the pink. Why? Because then girls in particular, they're gonna like notice it, and then I get attention. Why did I want to balance out the nervous system? So I didn't suffer the consequences of it not being balanced. Why? So then I could go do my thing outside and get attention. I'm not plagued by these symptoms. Everything was about that. Everything was about, or I wanted to be an actor. I wanted to be a great actor, but how could I be an actor when I had these health issues? So I learned later that actually those things, because I got a taste of it enough. I got enough attention, probably to last me forever, and I dabbled with how it felt to be an actor, and people are like, whoa, he's like really good. I felt all that and a bunch of other things and realized that's not where it's at. It's all the dopamine hit. It's like the orgasm. Yeah, it feels real good for 6 or 7 seconds, and then what? Then you need to do it again and again. And then in that process, you're just burning out your nervous system more. It's the same thing with excessively pursuing worldly accolades or attention or popularity or prestige, security. It never works, not long term. I realized that. So then health, the desire for health and balance became the real purpose for doing it was so that I could recognize our universal nature easier, because then there's less pains and agitations and symptoms in the mind and the body and the nervous system, and less imbalances, so that then when things are more quiet and synergized, I can become aware of this inner presence or peace. It's more palpable. This is why this is the highest purpose for having, you can say, true health. But at the same time, you don't need perfect health, because the mind will come in and say, well, I have a chronic situation. I can't ever get health. Therefore, I guess I can never recognize my true nature, spiritual universal nature. No, it's not true. God's helping you within the limitations and constructs of your current level of consciousness and situation. That's all you can do. You do the best you can do, and then you leave the results up to God. And then you may find that intuitively you come to know how to experience serenity even in impossible situations. Whether that be health, whether that be if you're living somewhere where there's a war happening, or etc. You found something that's not entangled in physical form or circumstances or situations. You found some universal principle, and then you found like, wow, I can actually have serenity even in an impossible situation. So that's why we try to do the best we can with the cards that we've been dealt, And I've shared about the 8 principles, and the diet, and preserving our semen, and good nature, good company, good environment, and doing self-introspection, staying off the dopamine addiction, trying to become free of habits and attachments, all that stuff. That's practical level. When we have to honor that level and work at that level. At the same time, have a spiritual practice. That's why I have the channel Spiritual Renaissance. That's where it's at. But this channel can help. It's like a prerequisite for that channel. That's why I made this channel. Same with Semen Retention Channel. I think most of you know about my Semen Retention Channel. It's called Beyond the Alchemy. So if that channel I'm continuing with, and also my spiritual channel. 2 channels I can handle for now. So you're welcome to go see that, Beyond the Alchemy, and also Spiritual Renaissance. And I do private consultations. My email is on the banner. And so I just wanted to leave you with this message. And yeah, enjoy your day. All right, see you.